Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, we will learn how we can reset a password of your ChatGPT account. Now, if you can't remember your password and you want to reset your password, then you have come to the right place. In today's video, I will show you the exact process on how you can reset your ChatGPT account password. So follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser of your choice, and there on the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. Once you search for it, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now from here, you have to tap on login button. And once you tap on login button, you will be taken to the login page. Now here you have to type in your email address and then tap on continue button. And then you will taken to the next page, and there you have to tap on forget password link beneath your password box. And once you do that, you will take into the next page where you have to tap on continue button to get an email sent by OpenAI to reset your passwords. Now tap on continue button and then you will be sent an email. Now check for the email. Now tap and open up the email, and there you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now tap on reset password button, and there you will take into the new tab where you will be able to create a new password at least 8 characters long, and then you have to re-enter your password in your next field, and then tap on reset password button. And there you go, you have successfully reset your password. Now that was the step-by-step process on how you can reset your OpenAI password. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.